welcome to this live stream. Sorry, the phone fell off, but I don't know if you get the sound. Let me first get back. Don't know if you're getting me, but I don't know if the audio is okay. You're most welcome. I'm fixing something right now. Wait a minute. My camera fell down, so I don't know how it happened, but I'm trying to fix that issue. I don't know if the audio is okay. You're most welcome to this live stream. I'm fixing my camera. It had some issues, but now I'm trying to fix it out. I can stay on for a little while as I try to fix the camera. Yeah, but you're most welcome. You're all welcome. Yeah. Hey everyone, you're most welcome to this live stream. I had some issues with the camera and it flipped off the tripod. I don't know how it happened, but now we're back. Yeah, so you're most welcome to this live stream. And I guess most of you joining in this live stream know the essence of this live stream. It's more of the Telegram login issues. If you have any issues with your login, you can post your questions below and I'll be able to answer it. If I'm not able to answer it, someone out there will be able to answer because I don't think that I know everything personally. So um, you're most welcome to this live stream. So the aim of this channel is most of the people don't know, like if you're joining for the first time, you don't know the aim of this channel. This channel is aimed to take simplicity. That means that uh, even if it's an app, even if it's software, we aim at the simplicity for a user, solving issues like login codes and any app. Though right now we're focused on Telegram, but we are diversifying. If you've checked the channel before, you've seen different things that have been happening to this channel. We've talked about AI, messaging apps, social media apps, and all that. So if this works for you, then you're in the right place and you're all welcome and I'm happy to see you. So basically, one of the things that we want to cover right now is that long problem that has been affecting most of the Telegram users. You find that this issue of the Telegram login code, it is really a problem and most of the Telegram users end up giving up and, you know, trying something and it's not working out, you end up just quitting it. So this live stream, we shall be fixing such issues live, not just by pre-recorded videos like I've been doing, but it's gonna be a live session and we shall be sharing ideas on how we can solve this issue together. So I just want you to stick around so that we get forward. So let me be waiting for you guys to come through as I post the poll. Actually, let me post the poll. Um, Let me hope my camera won't flip off like. I'm trying to ask a question right here. I don't know. Okay. So the above is the question that we have so far. You can go fall through and try to answer that question. Oh, where did I place the question? Did it go off? Okay. Yeah, so basically that is it. And I'm waiting for you guys to let me know where from you're watching from. Please, in the comments, try to inform me where you're from. We try to interact. Yeah, so you're most welcome once again. You're most welcome once again. All right, let me try to connect my PC so that wait a minute. So let me know where you're watching from, so that we interact properly. I'm trying to look up my PC. If you see my eyes down here, I'm trying to figure out how we're going to do this. So you just have to stick around, yeah, as we prepare. Please share this live stream. If you have any person that you think has an issue with the Telegram login issues, just share this live stream so that we move forward. It may be helpful to someone else. So just share it, please. So in this live stream, we're going to talk about an issue concerning the code not arriving, and we're going to talk about the too many attempts. So it lies in the same, it's kind of similar. Too many attempts come due to failure to get the login code. At times you try inserting multiple attempts. Though it cuts across, you may be having an account and you try something that will trigger too many attempts error. Yeah, so we shall also be discussing about the numbers that in case you have a number that has been blocked from Telegram itself. We shall discuss about that. Then another thing, we shall be talking about wrong number formats. For instance, if I try to log in my Telegram account and I find that I used the wrong number and it triggers something, maybe you struggling to get a code, yet you've inserted the wrong number. So we shall be talking about that. But please share this live stream with people that you think are experiencing such problems so that you never know, it may be their solution, it may be their breakthrough. So now I'll be demonstrating on, I'm setting up this PC so that I try to show you like what I'm, what like how to get the login code. So some of the problems, we shall not just talk about them in this live stream, but I'll be demonstrating it here on this PC. So you just have to stick around and yeah, just comment where you're from, please. Comment where you're from so I'll get to know you. This is a wonderful community and you're so much welcome. So feel at home. So one of the things that I'll be demoing is if you okay, like the issue with double checking your number is so crucial, most especially, oh, let me first correct this. Okay, the issue with double checking your number is so crucial as far as Telegram login code is concerned. uh, for instance, you may be using a number and you're so much aware that that number is the correct number, but yet it's not the correct number. So what you just have to do is double checking your number. And to do that, check with your service provider. I know we use different service providers, but you have to check your service provider so that you know your number if you don't know your number. So one of the things that you have to, maybe you need to contact them. I know they vary in different countries. It's not only one service provider, but there are multiple service providers. You just have to contact them so that they they show you how to know your number if you don't know. But uh, I think there is so much sensitization in issues concerning knowing your number. That's something easy. But I'm just explaining to someone who may think they know their number and actually they don't know it. So it cuts across. So now there is also the waiting for the time limits. For instance, you've logged in your Telegram account and you find yourself limited. For instance, due to the login, many attempts, and they give you a time limit, which I'll be demoing the time limit right here. But let me talk about the time limit. One of the things that happens in this case is when you face such an issue with a time limit, it means that Telegram may give you like 24 hours, 12 hours to bring back your account. So the only thing that you have to do in this case is trying to wait. I know it's hard to be patient, but again, waiting is something important in cases like this. Waiting for, you know, for the code, for the time to get done. So, but yeah, you're most welcome, guys. I don't take you for granted. Now, most of us use VPNs. VPNs are really good. They mimic your location. They prevent hackers for just having direct access to your privacy or your account. I understand, but the other way around, there are some VPNs that don't match with the web itself. The VPNs that I don't know how to explain it, but VPNs that are not so much uh, and not so much protective. Maybe let me call it that way. They're not so much protective. That means these kinds of VPNs will be blocked by Telegram because they have so much loopholes and can be easily blocked and can be easily recognized. So the only thing that you have to do in this case is using VPNs that we know these kinds of VPNs that can't be easily tracked, though yes, they can be tracked by these advanced softwares, but the basic softwares can't track by using the VPN in the first place. So these are the VPNs that you'll be able to use in order to get your login code. It can mimic your location. And not Telegram has multiple systems that can detect that you're using a VPN or you're not using a VPN. But I'm talking about some categories of VPNs. And just because I don't wanna talk about brands right now, though I can talk about them, but just leave a comment below. Tell me which VPNs do you think can work if you faced a particular issue and the VPN helped you out. let me know in the comment section so that we let others know that a VPN can help you get that Telegram login code. Okay, so all right, so please drop below the questions I have concerning the login uh, issues. If you have any questions about the login issues, just drop it down below, and we're just here to help each other. I'm here to help you, and not only helping you, but also the people watching this can be able to help you out if you're facing the Telegram login issues. So just drop down the questions I have below, and I'll be happy to connect with you. Yeah, yeah. Please comment where you're from, where you're watching from. Yeah, comment where you're watching from, please. Okay. So if you're wondering about, like, if you're wondering how to fix multiple issues, multiple Telegram issues, just check out the videos. I have a lot of videos in this channel. Like, you just go and check out this channel. It has multiple videos answering your problem. But if you want the live problem, if you want to first to solve the live problem, that means we can interact and share ideas on how you can get the code, or you've watched all my videos and you failed to get the login code. Though I've not got such complaints, but still, maybe that would be the problem. So what we have to do here is we need to help each other, because I remember me personally, I also experienced those issues, and the only solution that I got changed my life totally. I had to restore my account back, and it worked. So you may be asking yourself, how did you solve? I did all those videos are just on this channel, but one of the things that I can tell you is that I used Telegram X. I had to log in. I had to register with an email, and the code was sent direct to my email. That's how I got my Telegram login code, like just like that. So um, I'm almost demoing something for you. Let me try to please share this live stream. Share this live stream so that we get people who are who can join us, who can join us, and we experience this together. Okay. So this week I'm gonna be doing some videos. Actually, I may do a challenge this week. I may do a challenge this week, and that challenge will be the desktop side, because we have been so much focusing on the mobile side, but now we're going to focus on the desktop side. I know there are multiple users that are using Telegram that are using desktops, and I know, yes, these videos may seem blending the desktop side, but we want that experience of the desktop, like using the Telegram desktop, which would make some sense, because uh, the aim of this channel is to help someone out there. So if you know you're having a desktop, or you're expecting you've dealt with this problem for a very long time, You can let me know in the comments. Can your response helps me so much if I'm to plan for a video. I'll plan for a video basing on what the demand is, rather than doing something. Yes, it may be helping you, but sometimes something to help you out, it requires all parties to agree to a particular cause. If maybe I was doing about Telegram desktop, and there was some problem about maybe letting the notifications in the desktop, and I didn't know about that, and someone just asked that question. That helps me to plan for the content instead of just doing something that is out of research and all that. Yet there is a new problem evolving out of a viewer that has been watching. Oh, so that makes sense. Please give this live stream a thumbs up. This can help spread this to the people that really need it. Oh, did I say need it? Yeah, to the people that need it. I know it can't be for everyone. People that are right here, just the tech enthusiasts, and they're having a problem of a Telegram login. So, which makes sense. Yeah. So, let me talk about something else. Let me talk about Telegram login still, but this case I'm talking about the country code. The country code is some I don't know how to explain it to someone who doesn't know about a country code. A country code is like something like a digit. If you have a number and it has plus something, okay, a country code in simple terms, in a layman language, I'll just say that it starts with plus and other digits. For instance, if from the US, you have plus something. If you're from the UK, if you're from Africa, you're from Uganda, plus 256. If you're from anywhere in the world, you have your own country code. So these country codes are so important as far as getting the Telegram login code. So in simple terms, the country code replaces the zero. Instead of writing zero, you just have to write to type in the country code plus 256. If I'm to demo that, let me first demo it so that you can see. Okay. So you see, wait, let me first, sorry about that. I didn't intend this. I have to open Telegram. Okay. So what I'm trying to demo to you is you come right here, you tap start messaging, and now you tap, this is what I mean. If you're from a different country, I know this is by default, but I'm considering someone who hasn't who has no idea on what I'm trying to explain right here. So these are the different countries. These are the country codes. These are all the country codes. If you're from a different part of the country, you just come here and search for the country code that you want. For instance, if you're from the US, USA, it's +1. That's their country code. And now you insert in your number. That's how it works. You insert in your number, and yeah, that's how it works. And in this case, let me try to demo something. So in case I've inserted this number and I insert these digits, oh wait, they should be 10, they should be 9. Okay, let me just demo this. Let's try. So this is an invalid phone number. But in case we have logged in, okay, let me use this example. Let me use this example. Let me see. Uh, uh, all right, that's the number, and I connect. Now they'll send the code. So here is where you can send the code. Here is where you can insert the code. Sorry, here is where you can insert the code. And after inserting your code, then you're good to go. If it fails to come, then you request code via SMS, then it will be sent to you. So that's how this works in that case. Okay. Yeah, so welcome back from that demo. Yeah, hope you had a good time. And yeah, after demoing that, yeah, it's a good experience always to demo something that you're trying to show. Sorry, to demo something that you're talking about. That's the case. So please let us know where you're watching from. We're so much interested in knowing where you're watching from so that we can link up properly. And yeah, let us know where you're watching from. We're so much interested in knowing where you're watching from. And try to give this live stream a thumbs up. Uh, Either you double tap if you're using your phone, then I don't know. I don't know if that feature still works, but you double tap, or you do what? You can also share this live stream to someone that you think has problems that we're having right now. Yeah, but so much uh, I'm so much grateful for the people that are watching this live stream, wherever you are. The silent streamers, I don't take it for granted. Yeah, so I was still talking about the program this week. Will be I'll be trying to put out content for the people that use desktops, computers to access the Telegram accounts. We're really considering such people also, though we've been so much to the people that are using mobile phones, though the, the kind of similar, but you know, if someone is using something, they need a particular experience. They need the slight features change, but it's kind of similar because this is Windows, the other one is Android. There are multiple things that may be changing, but to me it's something slight changes because the settings are similar. It's only the other one is a computer, this one is a phone. That's the only difference in this case because one of you may be asking yourself that it doesn't matter maybe, but yeah, it matters, you know. Um, it's like reviewing a car. Those the channels that review cars. Why wouldn't they also review the software? Though it's kind of conflicting. Okay, let me just bring it in the ecosystem itself. If someone is reviewing a car, an electric car, and another person is reviewing a gasoline car, the cars that use fuel, obviously, it's similar if you look at how the cars are raised. The basic things are kind of similar, but again, the electric ones are kind of advanced in technology, and they give you another experience. So comparing Telegram desktop and Telegram Android, it's something that there is a slight difference there, but we shall be reviewing the entire the entire desktop app like this week, the certain week. That's what we're gonna be doing, and which is which is cool. Yeah, which is cool. Yeah, but the question is, what is your experience with Telegram currently? What's your experience with the login, with the Telegram login? Have you faced any challenge with logging in with Telegram? Did you fail to get the SMS? Um, you know, SMS is phasing out. I did a video about that. Not directly that it's phasing out, but indirectly. What these companies do, they want us to hook us into the ecosystem. For instance, they want us to get into the ecosystem first in Telegram. They will first send the code to their app, like the Telegram app itself. And after, they'll consider sending it maybe the other alternatives around. And the video explains how Telegram technology is kind of protective, and now the SMS technology is outdated. You can check it out. I just did it of recent, and yeah, so I was telling you about Telegram itself. I don't know if I'm worried of this camera. Last time it just hooked off the what? The tripod. And I was like, give me a sec. Alright, I was still telling you about the ecosystem. Let me just give an example of another app, another related app that we mostly use. That's WhatsApp. WhatsApp also wants us to be hooked into the ecosystem. for instance, if you if you try to log uh, in, for instance, WhatsApp to verify, maybe they want to send you a code or something, they'll send the code to your WhatsApp instead of using the SMS. And let me give you another example. Um, though it's Instagram, if they send the code, they'll send via your WhatsApp. They will not send via SMS. SMS is phasing out. So for Telegram itself, nowadays as we see that it's struggling with multiple issues. Wait, give me a sec. Yeah, I was still explaining this. Yes, Ochen, thank you so much for watching. Uh, you're saying that you just got your new Airtel number and on trying to register it to your Telegram, it got banned. Oh, sorry about that. Sorry about that. So, wait, you said you're from Kenya, you're from I don't know how to pronounce this country. It's a scenario. Oh, it's a scenario. Oh, okay. So you're from Kenya. You got a new number and it was banned. Sorry about that. So what did you do before the number getting banned? What did you do? Please comment. We see how to fix that. Okay, let me give when since you're delaying to respond, let me give examples. Uh, I was saying that try to respond. What did you do before you getting banned? Okay, let's talk about the multiple things that cause this band, because now here you're saying that it's an actual scenario. You just got a new number and it had registered a few minutes ago and it got banned. And which which phone are you, okay, sorry, which phone are you using? Just tell me the phone that you're using, so I will try to tell you which year is it, because nowadays these companies are blocking out the older phones from okay, like they're not blocking them directly, but they're trying to ban these apps. These phones no longer have the security features, so you find that when logging in, it may suspect something different. Oh, okay. I now get it. Actually, if you watch my previous videos, you've said that you're using a Redmi phone. In my previous videos, I explained why at times these Redmi phones can limit, like they, I don't know if they are against Telegram, because software wise, I'm not saying that a Redmi phone is not good, no, but we are considering the older versions of Redmi, in that security wise it doesn't tally with new systems, so they detect it as a what? They detect it as something violating that terms. Let me give an example. I have a friend. Uh, okay, it's not a friend. It was a client. A client reached out to me, and they were trying to tell me about the WhatsApp. The WhatsApp was always being banned. This person changed the number, they got a new number, they inserted it in the same phone, and now the number was banned. And they got another number, they bought another number. Like, okay, it's purchasing. I am trying to use simplying, uh, purchasing the new number. So they using it, that very day it got banned. The person got another number. They inserted it in the phone. It was still a Redmi phone, the older versions of Redmi. So let me try to look at your phone right here, because now I don't know exactly your phone. Redmi 11. Let's look at the year of this phone, because my friend got this issue. The issue was with the phone. After them changing the phone, because I told them that you need to change the phone and register still with WhatsApp. You need to appeal so that your accounts are restored. Using another phone, don't use the same phone. So that's what I told them, and it worked for them. So this phone was announced in 2022, January 26. Okay, but it's not that old. It's not that old. Though it's old, but it's not that old. So I'm so sorry, Ochen. I'm so sorry about that. And I'm so sorry about that. I'm so sorry about that. But you need to check. You need to check with you need to update your phone to the latest version. At times they may release a phone, and the security. Okay, you can I appeal a ban, and if so, how? On other than via email. Um, you can appeal in app. If they ban your account, there is that provision. If hope or something, or you can contact Telegram support. Do you know the link to the Telegram support? But if the issue was with the phone, the issue will come back again. Like, it will happen again. That's what I'm trying to say. But I can share with you the link. Do you know the Telegram support link? Have you ever tried to use it? Still waiting from you, Mr. Ocheng. Still waiting from you. You've never, eh? Okay. So you'll go to your Google and type Telegram support. You can try it right now. Try it right now, Telegram support. Or you can use the link telegramsupport.org stroke support. telegramsupport.org stroke support. Then they will give you they'll show you the prompt, like you need to, there is describing your problem. Now, in describing your problem, you need to describe everything that happened. You need to explain how you got the number, you inserted it in the phone, and it was banned. Then, another thing that you have to do is you need to insert your legal full name. So there is that box where you will insert the legal full name, and now you will insert your email address. So the essence of the email address is they will send you the email regarding to your problem. So, and also the affected number, there is that section where you insert your affected number. You need to insert it right there. And you've said you're there. Okay. Then try to apply. Try to apply. I don't know what they're bringing to you, but try to apply and see. So yeah. Then after you submit, that's the that's the only thing that can save you. But I don't know what really triggered the ban for sure. I don't know what really triggered that ban. But let me hope it's not about the device that you were using. But if it was a device, it will happen again. Like I've explained to you that I had a friend, they had the similar issue, and after after them appealing, the account was restored and again banned because of the device that they were using. It was an old device. It was a Redmi device. So that was the cause of them not getting the that was the cause of the strikes that they had. So Mr. Ocheng, are you trying to insert your details in? There are multiple ways on how to appeal. You can also use email. Let me give you the email. Let me give you the email. Hey, okay, that's good, Mr. Ocheng. Okay, let me first. Let me first give you the email. I'm looking for it. Oh, let me get it right here. So you're done. Hey, you're doing as you okay. The email. Wait. Uh, I'm trying to look for the email right now. I'm trying to look for it. Well, Telegram has multiple emails, so uh, okay. Let me try. Let me try this. Let me try this. Oh my goodness. Uh, all right. There is this email. It's recover at telegram.org. Recover.telegram.org. Try it out, Mr. Ocheng. Try it out. Recover at email.org. Try it out. I think it's gonna work for you because this is to recover your banned account. You try it out. I don't know if I'm allowed to type in the email in there, but I guess this email can work for you. Try to appeal both ways, the other side of Telegram support and also using your email. It's gonna work. I don't know if you're still there. Oh, okay. I don't know if you know how to write your appeal. I don't know if you know how to write it. Do you need some help on how to write? Just know in your appeal, you need to have the number. Oh, yeah, okay. Okay. I thought that you didn't know. But to the people that are watching, you need to have the number. You need to have your number and you need to include in your appeal the reason of the ban, what you think caused the ban, and you need to have the number as well. This brings enlightens on the problem itself. If you're on Twitter, you can also reach them out on Twitter. Let me show you the number, the account that you need to try out. Let me show you the account that you need to try out. Let me, yeah, okay. I don't see the Twitter account. Sorry, let me try. I don't know where I placed it. Otherwise, did you get the login code itself? Like when you logged in, and did you get in the account or you were just banned there and then? That's also an issue. Uh, Try to elaborate that still so that I follow up your. Did I don't know how far, but try to elaborate. Did you did you receive the login code or you didn't receive the login code, Mr. Chang? Did you receive the login code or you didn't receive it when you logged in before getting banned? To the people watching, you're most welcome. We have clocked an hour. You never got the login code. Okay. Were you using any VPN? Like when logging in, did you use any VPN? When I don't know how to explain. When you're logging in, you're already using internet. Were you connected to any VPN? You don't use VPNs. I'm trying to think what caused the issue because I've never had such issue like happen to someone. But the only thing that I know is there's so much restrictions as far as login codes are concerned. So I'm trying to find a solution to your problem. I'm getting you the other link, the account. Sorry, but I'm trying to look in my notes, but I don't see it. Okay, let me try this. Uh, by the way, I did a video about that, the banning of those accounts. I did a video. I don't know the message that you got, if it was a temporary ban or a permanent ban. Did you get the prompt of a temporary ban or it's a permanent ban? But if you didn't use the VPN, you say that you didn't use a VPN. That means that just banned. I think that's a temporary ban. That's a normal ban. That's a normal ban. So one of the things that causes these bans is the IP. In the video, I explained about the IPs and all that. Sometimes the IP address, but you say that you don't use VPNs. That means let's leave the issue of the IP aside. Let's now deal with the real factors, the other remaining factors that can lead to a ban. Uh, the service provider, I know Airtel. Airtel doesn't have any issues with whitelisting or even issues with Telegram. Oh wow, that's great. You sent the issue report via Telegram. Wow, that's great. And did they respond? Or I know they delayed to respond, but they will respond. I know that. Let me try to recap on the video that I did about that. The causes of these bans. The Okay, in the video I explained that different types of bans. We have a temporary ban, the permanent ban, and the shadow ban. They're all related to IPs. So we also have uh, the causes of these bans. In that video I explained the causes of the bans. Yeah, you just responded, and I'll respond soon. Okay, you will give me the feedback if they responded or not, so that we look at other solutions to the problem. Uh, The number one cause of these bans was the government pressure, the illegal activities on the rise. I don't know if the number was related to any illegal activity. I'm not saying that that it's related, but if it has any illegal activities, then it will cause the what? The ban. Oh, you're welcome, Mr. Chen. You're welcome. So there is also AI-powered moderation. I also talked about it in the video, whereby uh, if anything happens to your account because of nowadays we have AI, and if Telegram detects anything concerning you trying to get the login code, maybe using tools like bots or something, it's gonna block the account. But I don't think I used that, so let's just leave it out. Okay, then we also need to look at the terms of service. Telegram has updated the terms of service, so we also have to look at that. Anyway, you just go and watch the video. I know our time is fast spent, and I just want to take this opportunity to thank everyone that has taken part in this live stream. We have used 1 hour and some minutes, so I don't take you for granted. Thank you so much for watching this live stream, Mr. Ocheng. Thank you so much, and the people that have been that have not commented but have watched. Thank you so much for watching, and you know this is my first time to do a live stream, so I know it happens. But anyway, if you found this live stream helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you found it helpful, but let me give a chance to anyone who has a question before I sign out. If you have any question concerning that Telegram login, just let me know. But please like this live stream. I know people you watch, but you have to like if it worked for you. Yeah. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.